Wait, what? How?
You simpleton. Allow me to elucidate. What do we know about tic-tac-toe? We need a line to win. So we can start with the most basic form of a function, f of x equals x, giving me this line. However, as you can see, there's 3 x's on this graph. So we're gonna have to change this function to f of x equals x cubed, thus creating this line right here. Although this line is going in a positive direction, so we need to reverse it with a negative symbol. F of x equals negative x cubed, thus giving me victory.